Hello. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you don't know who I am, my name is Debbie, and yeah, I hope you stick around to get to know me. And yes, today I am doing a bronzed sort of look, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so firstly I'm going to start off with a base, which is going to be the Ultra Strobe Cream, because I'm wanting this to be very glowy and beautiful. So I just put some of that, and I put too much. Put less than what I'm putting on, and just rub that over the skin like, whoa. Oh god. Yeah, this is already going to be one of those makeup fail videos. Okay, if you put too much on, like me, take a beauty blender and blend some of that out, aka wipe it off. Like, it's all in my hair and everything. Not round. Make me glow. Make me glow. So whenever I've rubbed that in, I'm gonna just cover these spots, which are annoying me. It's like extra faces. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in the natural shade, and I just put this on with my finger and just cover up those spots. I'm going to go on and put on the Studio Fix Fluid. Yeah, it is in the shade NW20. And take a lot of that and just dab that on. And I am going back in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette and contouring. So with the dark shade, I'm just going around there, and then with the warmer brown, I'm gonna go around the rest of my head. Down here, here. And then with the light shade, going under my eyes with my finger again. Definitely think I need more of that. And then with the blusher shade, just there. There, and I like to do a little tick, and then just take your foundation blush, just take your foundation brush and blend everything in. Not looks that way under there on camera, but it'll be fine. Trust me, please. Right, I'm going to go in with a bit of powder, which is the RCMA No Color Powder. Now I'm taking the MAC Give Me Sun, and I'm just taking that on a little brush and going round the crease. I'm not being actually too neat with this, you know. I'm just wanting this look to be really more about glowiness than the eyes and details and stuff like that. There's just something nice sometimes about something more soft. Yeah, and whenever you've done that, now you can go on and just use the same brush. Go in with a deeper brown. And I'm using the Lick and Lash palette 350. I'm now going in with a shimmer shade, shimmer. And I'm not even gonna do eyeliner today, like, nope, not today, girl. I'm gonna go in with the warmer brown again, under the eye. And then the MAC Give Me Sun again. Okay, so now taking the Barry M lip liner and the Matte Me Up lipstick. It is in Nude, both of them. It actually comes in a little kit. And I'm just going to line my lips. And then I'm going to put on a wee bit of gloss, which is the PLouise Holla lip gloss, and just put that in the middle as usual. Right, so now that I have my lips on, I can now tell how much bronzer I need. So first I'm going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer and just patting that on and blending up. So basically I'm just carving out the cheekbones, and whenever I'm blending it up, that's me just faking pulling them up and giving myself more of a cheek. And then I am going to take the tiniest wee bit of blusher, so I am, and just give a tiny bit of colour to the cheeks. Not too much because I am wanting this to be quite bronzy, but that was the Zoeva Coral Spectrum palette. And now MAC Give Me Sun, just blend that over everything. Now for the fun bit, which is the Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yeah, I'm going to take the MAC Fix Plus and spray over, plus spray the brush, and then go in and glow me up. And also, I'm going to do around here and a wee bit on my shoulders with the bronze colour. And because that is pretty dark, I'm going to blend that out with my big brush to make it more natural looking. You don't have to put eyelashes on, you can just go with mascara, but you know, I want to be that bit more. So I'm taking, I'm gonna go in with the PLouise lashes, which are, as I said, massive, but I have kind of been getting used to them, which is shocking for me. I still don't think I would go out in them, but you know, since this is such a simple look, why not pair it with massive lashes? Yeah, I don't even think these are on properly, but you know what, they're gonna have to do. Okay, and whenever you get those eyelashes on finally, then you can go ahead and put on a bit of mascara to blend in the eyelashes together. So this is me done with this bronze sort of look, and I have just went with nice browns and glowing skin. yeah, so I hope you liked this video and please subscribe.